May the peace, blessings, and the mercy of God be upon you. Hello everyone, in Junior 5. I am Mrs. Yasmin Yasser. I am going to be your math teacher for our lesson now. We studied in the Junior 4 the big numbers, and we learned that we have 4 families, and we also learned that each family has 3 places, ones and tens and hundreds. And we studied fraction and an introduction for decimals. Let we have these fractions: 1 over 10, 1 over 100, and 1 over 1000. We notice that the denominators are multiples of 10. When the denominators are multiples of 10, we can write this fraction in a special way or a special form. It's called the decimals number. To write it, we put the number in the numerator as it is. Then we put the decimal point after 1 digit. So we put the decimal point and we hold the whole numbers by 0. This fraction or this decimals is say as tenth. The second one, 1 over 100, we write the number in the numerator as it is. Then we put the decimal point after 2 digits. But we only have 1 digit. So we put 0 on the left because 0 on the left not has a value. Then we put the decimal point and hold this place with 0. And this number is say as 100. The third one, 1 over 1000. We write the number in the numerator as it is. And then we put the decimal point after 3 digits, but we only have 1 digit, so we put 2 zeros. Then we put the decimal point and hold the whole numbers by 0. This number is say as 1000. In today's lesson, we are going to study decimals number. Let we have this decimals number. At the middle, we have the decimal point, and on the right, we have the decimal part or the decimal digits, and on the left, we have the integers, number or integral part or whole numbers. And to write the position for each digit, we start from the decimal point. To write the position for the digit in the decimal part, we start from tenth, then hundredth, then thousandth. And to write the position for the digit in the integral part, we're going to the left. We start from ones, then tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and 100,000. We learned that as we go from one place to the next higher place, the digit increase in value by the multiples of 10. So 1 is 10 tenth, and tenth equal 10 hundredth, and hundredth equal 10,000. Now we need to read this decimals. We have 2 ways to read any decimal number. The simplest way, we read the whole number as it is, and we say point, and we read the digits in the decimal part one by one. So we read that 526,123.124. And the second way is called ordinal and cardinal way. We read the whole number as it is, and when we reach the decimal point, we say and we read the decimal number as it is and say the position for its last digit. Now we read that 526,123 and 124,000. So To write the word form, we write 526,000. 526 thousands 100 20 3 and 124 24 what thousand. Let's take another example. We need to read these numbers. At the first, we read by the simplest way. We read the whole numbers as it is, 504.21. This is the simplest way. And the second way, ordinal and cardinal way, we read the whole number as it is, 504. And when we reach the decimal point, we say and 21. 21 what? 21 tenths or hundredth? 21 hundredth. So the word form for this number 504 and 21 what? Hundredth. The second topic in this lesson is talking about place value and value. Place value expressed to the position for the digits. The digit where each belong thousandth, hundredth, tenth, or ones, tens, hundred thousands, 10,000, and hundred thousands. And the value expressed to the actual value for the digit according to its position. Let's take a given example. Find the place value and the value for the underlying digits. The first one, we need to find the place value for the digit 8. The digit 8 in the decimal part or the integral part? In the decimal part. In which place? This is tenth, and 8 is in the hundredth place. Hundredth place. Now we need to write the value for the digit 8. So we need to write 8 hundredth. At the first, we put the digit 8 as it is. Then we put the decimal point after 2 digits. So we hold the 10th place with 0. Then we put the decimal point and hold the whole numbers by 0. The second one, we need to find the place value for the digit 0. The digit 0 in the decimal part or the integral part? In the decimal part. In which place? 10th. So the digit 0 is in the 10th place. Now we need to write the value for the digit 0. The value for the digit 0 in anywhere, it will be 0. The third one, we need to write the place value for the digit 6, the digit 6 in the decimal part or the integral part? In the decimal part. In which place? Tenth, then hundredth, then thousandth. So the digit 6 is in thousandth place. Now we need to write the value for the digit 6. So we need to write 6,000th. So we write the digit 6 as it is. Then we need to put the decimal point after 3 digits. So we hold the hundredth and tenth with 2 zeros, and then we put the decimal point and hold the whole numbers for 0. The fourth one, we need to find the place value for the digit 9. The digit 9 in the decimal part or the integral part? In the integral part. In which place? This is ones, then tens. So the digit 9 is in the tens place. So to write the value for the digit 9, we need to write 9 tenths. It will be 90. Let's take another example. Use the following digits to write the greatest and the smallest possible decimal number to thousandth place. To write the greatest number, we start from the left and write the largest digit. Where is the largest digit? The largest digit is 9. So we put 9. We finish the family of milliard. So we make commas. The next larger digit is 8. We found 8. So we put 8, then 8. And the next larger digit is 5. We found 5. So we put 5 and we finish the family of millions. We make comma, then we put another 5. The next larger digit is 4. So we put 4 and the next larger digit is 3. We finish the family of thousand. We make commas. The next digit is 2, then 1, then 0. 2, 1 and 0. Then 9,885,543,210 is the largest number, consists of these digits. To write the smallest number, we start from the right and put the largest digit. The largest digit is 9. Then 8. Then 8. We finish the decimal part. We put the decimal point. Then we complete. 5, then 5, then 4. We finish the family of ones. We make comma. Then we complete. 3 and 2 and 1. We finish the family of thousand. We make commas. And we finish with 0. But 0 on the left not has a value. So we replace them. Here we put 0 and here we put 1. So 1,023,455 and 889,000 is the smallest number, consists of these digits. That's all we have for our lesson now. Thank you for all.